Introducing Schluter Shelf. Schluter Shelf is a convenient accessory that offers style and function for tiled walls both inside the shower and out. The Schluter Shelf is made from solid stainless steel for exceptional durability with an elegant brushed finish. The shelf is available in a variety of shapes and configurations. All of our shelves are offered in two styles, designed to coordinate with our Kerdi drain and Kerdi line curve and floral style drain grates. The Schluter Shelf E is designed for corner applications and is available in 3 different shapes. It can be installed along with your tile or as a retrofit without the need to drill holes in the tiles. The Schluter Shelf W is a rectangular shelf with anchoring legs for installation on walls along with the tile. And finally, the Schluter Shelf N is designed to fit into our Kerdi board prefabricated niches. Which Schluter Shelf fits your style?